Hi guys. Is it blurry? Don't mind my lips. I've just had them done, so there's a bruise there, but they look amazing. So I want to try something with you today, and it's something that has gone viral on TikTok. I need to knock myself out then. It's the Kewpie mayonnaise. Now, I didn't even realise that they actually sold this on Amazon. So as soon as I found out, I had to buy it. So we're going to try it today. I don't know what it's going to taste of. Well, apparently it's like mayo, but it's made with, is it egg yolks? Or is it, I can't remember. It's supposed to be like slightly sweeter. So I don't know what to have it on. I might just try it on a rice cake. But let's have a look. This is the package. Now, I have just opened it and it wasn't recording. So yeah, great. This is the packaging. It's really cute. Kewpie. Is it Kewpie? Kewpie, isn't it? Mayonnaise. And I absolutely love the bottle. I've seen so many mukbangers have this bottle, and I just absolutely love it. It's like iconic in the mukbang world, and not mukbang world, you know what I mean? Like a lot of people on TikTok have used it. So let's try it. Okay, guys. So this isn't probably the way you should try it, but I'm just gonna try it on a cracker. See what it's like. I'm really nervous. There's a lighting really shit. I'll get into it. Oh God, I've not got long. It smells really eggy. Let me try it. Oh my God. Let's go for it. Cheers. Very mild and creamy. Oh my God. Way nicer than regular mayo. So much softer. Almost melts in the mouth. Guys, get one. Sick. Oh my God.